All right. So what brought you to our practice?
Many years ago, I worked with Tirza from the Advanced Thermography Center here in Colorado, and I have been getting thermography scans on my breast for years. And I had an issue with my right breast, which is a little bit too inflamed. And she actually ran a thermography on my face and my back, and there were different inflammatory areas. So she was the first person to encourage me to do a deeper dive and take a look and see if there was any kind of potential correlation from old wisdom teeth I had taken out many years ago that could be impacting some of the inflammation in my body. And so many years ago, she unveiled some of that and encouraged me to do a deeper dive. And it took some time. I was a little bit nervous and I danced around it, but I finally took the dive and I am so appreciative that I did.
Very nice. And were you scared to have your procedure done?
I was very nervous. I took some time to be able to really just chew on everything and get my ducks in a row. And there were lots of reasons why I finally took the dive. But I am extremely grateful because I was nervous. It seemed daunting and overwhelming, and I was afraid that it might be painful. And I have to say, we could expound on this, but I'm just so incredibly pleased with the care I've received here, how the procedure went, and my post-op recovery has been phenomenal.
And did you take the Halcyon?
I did. I was very nervous. And so I said, I'm not so sure that I'm just going to be brave enough for this. And so I ended up taking two because it took some time to activate. But the procedure for me was a chunk of time and it literally felt like a blip on the radar.
Awesome. And anything else you have to say about the team or your experience here?
I actually would love to say I really am so grateful. I've heard about Dr. Burke and her team for many years through Tirza and other local practitioners and people who've been coming here. I felt really supported and encouraged to come and take the leap. But from being shut down to every single person who has been meeting with me, the dental cleaning I've had, the different applications from ozone and laser, even using homeopathic remedies, it's very much at my alley because I love holistic applications. And the team has been so accommodating, so kind and supportive. And Dr. Berg is amazing. I heard about her for many years, and I have to say that I feel like she was very patient. I felt really safe here. I literally would never tell anyone this about any kind of dental procedure, but I would do it again. And my recovery was amazing. And I just had my follow up with her. And I honestly look forward to talking to her again. I think she's an amazing human being.
Awesome. Thank you.